SWOT Analysis Part 4, Threats to HP's Success. First threat is the economic recession. Disposable income for donations, memberships, and ticket sales will decline in a recession, and the same will apply for other income resources like government grants and corporate sponsorships. Second risk is climate change and environmental risks. Extreme weather events is going to cause higher maintenance costs and sometimes will cause damages and closures at HP sites. Number 3, competition from other charities and attractions. Charitable sector is a very competitive sector. Charities are competing for limited amount of donations. On top of that, HP is competing with some other entertainment options when it comes to their ticket sales. Especially younger audiences might not be interested in historic sites. And finally, we have to mention that a recession makes competition worse because the total amount of donations is expected to get smaller. And when the cake gets smaller, it is much harder to keep the size of your slice. So everyone is going to compete harder. Our next risk is cybersecurity risk and digital privacy concerns. We know HP is up to date with data regulations. They are fully compliant, which is good. However, while all risks are dynamic, cybersecurity risks and data protection risks are among the most dynamic of those risks. Hackers use the latest technology. They always improve themselves. So organizations also have to keep up to date with the technology and take constant measures to be safe. Finally, we are going to talk about the PR risk, which is public and media scrutiny. And we know that from the pre-scene that they are under a close watch. Charities are under close watch, so many things can be criticized, like executive pay, how they use the funds, and if the public doesn't like how the charities are using the money, they are not going to donate more. So increased financial transparency might be needed, and bad reputation can create financial consequences. I will film another SWOT video, and it will include a summary of everything we have discussed so far and some recommendations, both short-term and long-term, for historic places.